Daria, okay, it's part two. We're going to try and attempt to put the tube and the tyres onto a lovely carbon fibre wheel. Don't time me, please. Something's bound to go wrong. So, what we've got here? Oh, we've got the 80mm tubes. Wow, that is so long. Never had an 18mm before. Wow, look at the length of that. I'm guessing I could have had a deeper section wheel. Yeah, it sticks out, looks a bit silly, and there's no screw thread down here, so I can't screw it down. Not too good. Although this section is very, very thin. Really, I'm nervous that I'm not even be able to get the tyre on. You see the tyre sitting on top, and it doesn't really want to sit inside. Anyway, we live and learn. This is Oasa, and it's a rechargeable pump, and it is very useful. That will be it. So how are we doing? So as you can see, this is actually a 23 tyre. I normally would fit 25s, but I did buy a 23. The first 5,000 tyre, GP 5,000 tyre. It's pretty damn good if you ask me. I think the 23 fits slightly better on this carbon section if you ask me. Wow, looks the business. It's only at 70, I might give it some more. Okay, that's it, Derry. The next is to actually mount the wheel, and then we'll be cooking with gas. Derry, okay, part three. I have successfully put tyres onto these lovely carbon wheels that I bought from China and assembled them into the bicycle. It's not been without a few heart wobbles because, in particular, the back wheel, for a considerable amount of time, just would not actually fit onto the frame. So the dropouts are here, and I tried to slot the wheel into the dropouts, and it just wouldn't fit. It just did not fit. And then it went in when I took off the brakes. So the brakes needed adjusting, so I had to release this to open the TRP brakes up, take actually the pads off, put the wheel in. It was still rubbing somewhere. So the tolerances are quite close with this new wheel. I can't quite understand why they'd be any closer than on the Dura Ace wheel. We see that the tolerance where it fits there to the edge of the frame is quite close. But the magical solution eventually was to take out the skewers, insert the wheel into the dropouts, and I measured them here with a micrometer. The points that fit into the dropouts are actually slightly smaller than on the Dura Ace wheel. So logically everything should damn well fit, but it just doesn't seem to fit so well. Eventually it went in without touching anything, the brake blocks being off. So then I've been able to put the skewers in, again, no rubbing, which is great. And then I've fitted the brake blocks and I've adjusted them in the regular fashion. So I've not been able to go on a shakedown cycle because it's wet outside, and as you know, I'm a dry weather cyclist at heart, and the first ride was no time to go out in the wet on this lovely looking bicycle. So I mean, I must admit, it does look the business. Whether it cycles in the same way as the Dura Ace wheels, the 9000 Dura Ace wheels, is yet to be determined. But yeah, everything seems to fit, and logically looks like it's a good job. But obviously the shakedown ride, which should just be a few kilometres, and then a longer ride, is what I need to look forward to before I give it the seal of approval. Okay, Dari, that's it for now. I'm still alive. Speak to you later. Bye.